Hey guys, welcome back to Rinty's Plate. I am here again with another juice video. Somebody has been requested for me to do pineapple, ginger, carrot, and an apple. Okay, I already washed my stuff already, so I'm just gonna get them prepared. Stay tuned. Ginger smells so strong. You know, we always do my ginger first. This is my ginger. Just gonna use a little water. And just strong. And the apple can go with it too. Okay. That's my carrot and my apple. I'm gonna do my pineapple now. You don't have to put a lot of water, because these fruits have a lot of water. I love this fine strainer. Strain so good. Okay, gonna just juice a lemon. If it gives me a lot of juice, I don't have to do too much. Oh, it give me a lot of juice. It I don't need to have two. And to give it taste, I'm gonna use some honey. Okay, to finish it off. The pineapple is very sweet, so I don't think I use a lot. Okay. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna put some in my hand mixer and see what it needs. I'm gonna take a small amount of honey again. I think that will do. So this is pineapple, ginger, carrot with a lemon, and an apple. Okay. Taste again. Oh, yes. Wow. Okay. And here I have a glass to taste some. Tastes so nice. Oh, yeah. Okay guys, this is my finishing touch. I hope Miss Joy will love this because she says she loved this juice. Okay, remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching. Bye. See you next time.